Hey guys, in today's video we'll look at how we can connect to a Windows 11 machine from a macOS device, and we'll be using RDP. I'm on the Windows 11 machine and we need to make sure that remote desktop is enabled, and then we'll need the IP address and the user name for the user we'll use to connect to this machine. So first thing is to search for remote desktop setting. So remote desktop settings, here you just need to make sure that remote desktop is turned to on. By default it's off. And then under remote desktop users, you can add a user that's allowed to do remote connection to this machine. If you don't know what users you have on the PC, you can search for computer management. Under computer management, go to expand system tools, expand local users and groups, go to users. You'll see the list of users you have. If you need to create a new user, right click new user. Okay, the last thing you need is the IP address for this device. You can use the command prompt cmd, and in the cmd type IP config. That should show you the IP address. In our case, it's 172.16.1.101. Now we are ready to go to the macOS device to do the connection. We'll be using Windows Remote Desktop or Windows app to do the connection. So see you on the macOS device. Okay, I'm on the macOS device, and what we need here is an app called Windows App, which used to be called Windows Remote Desktop. So you can just search for it under the App Store. I can do command space here to open Spotlight, and then I'll do App Store to open the App Store, and then search for Windows App. And this is it, which, like I said previously, was called Remote Desktop. And if it's not installed, you can go ahead and install it. I already have it installed, so it's just giving me an option to open it. And this is what it looks like. Now, once you have it open, for me, I already have some machines already saved that I already connected to previously. If you don't have any devices, just click on this plus sign here and then click add PC. And then you'll need the IP address under PC name. 172 was the IP.16.1.101. You need the username here. Then you might need to add the password, and the rest will leave as default. We don't need a gateway or group. Then we'll leave this option, which is reconnect if the connection is dropped. Click add. Now it's added right here. To connect to it, just double click on it, click continue. Now if you're going to be using a specific username, and if that user is logged into that device, the Windows 11 device, you might want to sign out first. So right now it's connecting here, and I'm connected to the Windows 11 device, which is right here, the 172.16.1.101, and I'm connected from this macOS device, which if I do about this Mac, you can see it's a MacBook Pro device that I'm using. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect to Windows 11 PC from a macOS device using the Windows app. So I hope this has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.